Hi, and thank you for your interest in ApplicantStack onboarding. ApplicantStack is the #1 preferred applicant tracking system for online recruiting and hiring. ApplicantStack onboarding allows employers a way to manage the paperwork and tasks of hiring a new employee and can be easily bundled with your ApplicantStack Recruit account. Create a new hire checklists, track tasks, and provide a new hire portal for employees to quickly and easily complete required forms. The ApplicantStack onboarding home screen allows you to see a snapshot of your activity summary, where you can view emails, as well as see your list of incomplete tasks, as well as your pipeline summary. Here you could see that we have 8 new hires, 22 tasks that need to be completed, and these are the different hiring onboard stages. These can be customized for your particular needs. You also have the option of toggling between your onboarding and recruiting counts right from your home screen. Although ApplicantStack can be used as a standalone product, it can be used in conjunction with ApplicantStack Recruiting. Once you toggle to ApplicantStack Recruiting and you find a candidate that you are about to hire, you click Job Offer Accepted. So he's currently in the job offer stage. Once you hit Job Offer Accepted, he's now going to be going into the hired stage. Now, if we toggle back to ApplicantStack onboarding, we see now that there are 9 new hires. And if we click on the Hires tab, we could see that Cooper Chase is now a new hire. Now, when we click on the new hire name, you could see that the information was brought in from ApplicantStack Recruit. You also have the option of manually adding in a new hire or an existing employee by filling out this information. All of these fields can be customized for your particular onboarding needs. Here you could see the general information and the system information. You can choose edit and edit the existing information. You can put in the job title, the job name, for example. And we also have an option of assigning tasks. We can add a task by clicking here to assign a task or by choosing add task here. So let's go ahead and say we want to add a task. These templates are created in the library. So let's say we want to schedule a photo ID and we're going to assign that to one of your employees. So that would go to Faith, and I hit save, and then it says our task has been added successfully. So now we could see that a photo ID has been assigned to Faith. So when Faith logs into her ApplicantStack onboarding account, she will see that she will have a task assigned to her. We could add individual tasks this way, or we can add an entire checklist. The checklist is a bunch of tasks that are put together. So for example, the accounting manager checklist differs from the contractor hire checklist. Again, these are all set up in your library. So let's go ahead and add the general new hire checklist to our new employee. So once you hit save and go back over to Cooper's information, we could see that new tasks have been assigned. They are not complete. And we could see that the new hire has been assigned to complete the I-9 form, the W-4 tax form, as well as view the orientation video. We could see here that there are different tasks assigned to employees of your organization. We also have the option of adding attachments as well as sending email. So let's go ahead and send our new employee a welcome email. These templates are created in your library. Let's go ahead and choose the welcome and new hire portal. So this is coming from the hiring manager, and we have here the portal, the username, as well as the password. So once we hit send, we could see that the email has been sent to Cooper. Once we go back into his account, we could see that that email has been sent. Also on this page, we could see any submitted documents. So once Cooper logs into his account and completes his information, those documents will be stored here. We can also add notes, and here we could see the history for this particular user. So let's go ahead and log into Cooper's portal. This is the new employee portal. They will obviously have your company name up on top along with your logo. Once the new employee receives his login information, they will log in and they could see their contact information here. They have an option of editing their account. They can also see their manager. These are the tasks that we assigned for our new employee. So whenever they need to go ahead and fill out a form, they'll just click Start Task. And a lot of this information has been pre-populated. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out for Cooper. Once the information is filled out, the new hire can hit submit, and then they are ready to start their new task. Returning to ApplicantStack onboarding, we can now see that our new hire has completed the task of completing the W-4 tax form, and when we scroll down, we could see that it is listed under the submitted documents. When we click on the folder, we can now see the completed W-4 tax form. We can also see in the history that Cooper Chase submitted the answers to the W-4 tax forms. When you click on the Hires tab, you could see a list of all of your current hires as well as all of the tasks that are associated with them. So for example, 1 out of 5 tasks were completed for Cooper Chase and he is 20% complete. We could see all of the different new hires and the different stages that they're in. So for example, let's take a look at somebody that's in a different stage. So let's take a look at Jeff. Taking a look at Jeff's information, we could see that different tasks have been assigned to Jeff. We could see the emails as well as the submitted document. So here we could see the North Carolina state tax form, and we could look at that information and see that Jeff has completed that form. Your Tasks tab lists all of the tasks that are assigned to you as well as the status. In your library, you have all of your templates. So for example, your Forms template, which has your W-4, I-9, your state tax forms, as well as your other state and local federal tax forms. These will be preloaded with your account. You also have your questionnaires templates listed in your library. So for example, you can put in an emergency contact form, uniform sizing. You have an option of creating new questionnaires here. So for example, your emergency contact form will be contact name and primary phone number. If you'd like to edit this and add another field such as a secondary contact, you can go ahead and do that by adding a question here. We also have emails. These are the email templates. So for example, we have the Welcome and New Hire portal that we used. And here you can see the information in that welcome letter. You also have the option of editing the template by going here, and you can also insert additional mail merge codes that will be automatically added to the email template. And here are our tasks, our task templates. So you can create new tasks. You can delete tasks that do not pertain to your particular onboarding process. And then finally, our checklists. These are checklists that include the tasks from the task template list. You can go ahead and create new templates or edit existing templates. Aside from customizing your templates, you also have the option of customizing your settings. So by going into Setup, you can view your users and add new users to the account. You can also configure your hiring fields. So let's take a look at Configure Hire Fields. This is where we can add additional fields for the hire as well as the workflow stages. So here's where you can add additional stages that meet your particular onboarding needs. Again, we can look at the settings information for the company, and then finally we can choose to export all of the information from ApplicantStack onboarding to a CSV file. Thank you very much for your interest in ApplicantStack onboarding. As with all ApplicantStack products, whenever you have a technical support issue, you can click on Ask a Question and that'll go directly to your support team. We hope you take this opportunity to visit our website at www.applicantstack.com to view information about our other products as well as start a trial. You can also email us at sales@applicantstack.com for more information. Thank you.